on poor Jebby the pony again. Is he your frozen reindeer? You gonna put a bow on him? Don't put the bow in his mouth. Good boy, Jeb. You're a good reindeer. You're a good reindeer. What do you do with your bow there? Get back here! Hey! This is baby Charlotte's room.